Japan built legends that defined an entire generation of car culture, machines that roared through mountain passes, dominated tracks, and became icons of an era. But what if I told you some of those legends never really died? From underground garages in Japan to modern reinterpretations still rolling off production lines, these are JDM legends you didn't know still exist. Stay tuned because some of these will absolutely blow your mind. The Nissan Silvia S15 was one of the last true rear-wheel drive sports coupes of its kind. Lightweight, agile, and affordable. Powered by the legendary SR20DET 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4, it produced 250 horsepower and could hit 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 5.5 seconds. The S15 ended production in 2002, but here's the twist. It never really disappeared. Thanks to Japan's tuning culture and drifting community, many S15s have been meticulously preserved or restored. And with the US 25-year import rule, legal imports are finally happening, making it one of the hottest collectibles in 2025. The 90s Toyota Supra, the A80 or MK4, is arguably the poster child of JDM performance, with its bulletproof 2JZ GTE inline-6 pushing 276 horsepower from the factory and easily capable of 800 plus with tuning. This beast achieved 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.6 seconds. Although production ended in 2002, many A80s are still alive and thriving. Enthusiasts across Japan and the world have restored these cars to better than new condition. Some shops even build modernized, resto-modded versions with updated interiors, carbon fiber panels, and 1,000 horsepower engines, proving that the legend of the Supra will never die. When Honda launched the NSX in 1990, it was Japan's answer to Ferrari, a mid-engine, all-aluminum supercar that redefined reliability and performance. The original NSX featured a 3.0-liter V6 C30A, producing 270 horsepower, hitting 0 to 60 in around 5.2 seconds. Later, models with the 3.2-liter engine cut that time closer to 4.5 inches. But here's what most people forget. Honda brought it back. The second-generation NSX, launched in 2016, combined twin-turbo V6 power with 3 electric motors for a combined 573 horsepower. Even though production ended in 2022, both generations are still actively supported by Honda's Heritage program, meaning the NSX lives on in both spirit and service. The RX-7 is a car that defies convention. Its heart, the twin-rotor 13 BREW engine, was small, light, and absolutely wild. Producing around 276 horsepower, the FD could sprint to 60 miles per hour in just 4.9 seconds, all while maintaining perfect 50-50 weight distribution. While Mazda stopped producing the RX-7 in 2002, the rotary spirit never died. Thousands of enthusiasts in Japan still rebuild and drive these cars today. And with Mazda teasing the return of the rotary engine in hybrid form for the MX-30, we may soon see the rebirth of this legend. No JDM list is complete without the R34 Skyline GT-R. The Godzilla of Japan, this car packed the RB26DETT 2.6-liter twin-turbo inline-6, producing 276 horsepower, paired with a Tessa ETS all-wheel drive and the legendary Super High-Kiss steering system. Real-world figures put its 0 to 60 time around 4.6 seconds, blistering for its era. While the R34 ended in 2002, the legend never faded. Nismo still produces official restoration parts, and collectors are paying upwards of $300,000 for pristine models. Plus, thanks to the import rule, R34s are now legal in the US for 1999 models, making this one of the most sought-after cars on the planet. Before Subaru became known for family crossovers, it built one of the most successful rally machines ever, the C8 Impreza WRX STI. Under the hood sat a 2.0-liter turbo flat 4 making 276 horsepower with Subaru's signature symmetrical all-wheel drive system. 0 to 60 came in just 4.9 seconds, with rally-bred handling that earned it multiple WRC championships. Today, hundreds of GC8 STIs still roam Japan's backroads and hill climbs, lovingly maintained by fans who refuse to let them fade away. Some even argue that this era of the WRX represents Subaru at its absolute peak. It might not have supercar power, but the Toyota AE86 is pure driving joy. Its high-revving 4 AGE 1.6-liter engine produced just 128 horsepower, but its lightweight chassis, perfect balance, and rear-wheel drive made it a legend. Thanks to drifting pioneer Keiichi Tsuchiya and Initial D, the AE86 became immortal. And here's the best part, it still exists today. Toyota recently unveiled the AE86H2 and AE86 BEV concept cars, retrofitted with hydrogen and electric power. It's proof that even in a new age of technology, Toyota hasn't forgotten where it came from. From turbocharged icons to lightweight legends, JDM culture isn't just history, it's alive. These cars continue to inspire, roar, and evolve decades after their debut. So next time you hear a BOV hiss or a rotary scream, remember, some legends never fade. If you enjoyed this trip through Japan's greatest machines, hit that like button, subscribe for more automotive stories, and tell us in the comments, which JDM legend would you bring back to life?